Hello student, welcome to my channel Codewall Academy, and in this video we covered top 25 questions related to a business communication and information system, especially for our basic first semester student. So let's start without any delay. Our first question is about what do you mean by information system? Discuss the importance of information and also discuss about the various type of information system. Second question is all about business communications. So here I prepare a 20 top 25 question based on the 5-year previous year question. So if you once solve these 25 questions in your notebook, after that you will get a score good marks in your exam, especially in this paper. So I hope you watch complete video without skip. Let's start. What do you mean by a business communication? Here you have to explain about what business communication and explain about various its types and also explain listening and writing skills here. Question number third is about barrier to communication. What is barriers comes while you communicate with others. Okay, so explain the term barriers to the communications and what are the different types of barriers to the communication. You have to explain also about this and also explain the various way for removing barriers to the communication. Question number 4 is all about group discussion. Explain these various types and also explain the various skills required for participating in group discussion activity. So I hope you watch this video complete and also like and subscribe my videos and share with your friends. Question number 5 is all about management information system, MIS. What is a management information systems? What is the benefit of MIS and in organization, and also explain the function of MIS. Question number 6 is all about the skill required for participating in a group discussion activity. Question number 7 is related to the information. What is the characteristics of information and discuss the classification of information. Question number 8 is all about define the term communication. Explain there is two different types of communication, a verbal communication and a non-verbal communication. To explain about the verbal communications and also about the non-verbal communication and also explain the non-verbal communication various types and also explain the process of communication with the help of example. Here I have merged 2 and 3 questions in one question. Okay, so you do this. This is a very important this question must be asked in your coming exams, because it is related to the communication and communication is one of the best topics, so must read this question. Question number 9 is all about what do you mean by claim and adjustment letter. Explain in detail about approach of writing any claim and adjustment letter. Describe the various type of question that can be asked in any interview. Question number 11 is all about what is data. Explain the components of management information system. Question number 12 is all about what are the various characteristics of business communication. Explain the term organization barriers and language barriers with example. Question number 13 is all about decision support system. Explain the characteristics and components of decision support system. Question number 14 is all about what is OAS. Explain the role of OAS in organization. Define the seminar and conference. Question number 15 and also describe about its features. Question number 16 is all about explain the different phase of system development life cycle. Question number 17 is related to explain the concept of open door policy and exit interview. Question number 18 is related to the explain the 8 C's of any business letter. 19 is all about what are the various methods of data collection in MIS. Question number 20 is related to the oral communication and also explain about the merits and demerits of the oral communication. Question number 21 defines the decision making concept. Explain the Herbert Simon model. This one is a very important question. There is a lot of chances to come in exam. Question number 22 is all about what do you mean by business letter. Explain the various merit of business letter and also explain the various component of any business letter. Question number 23 is all about what are the method of collections of data. Methods of how to collect data. Here you have to explain about which methods we use generally for collection of data. 24 is all about what is DSS. Explain the characteristics and component of DSS. And last question is 25, which is related to you have to write any short notes of any given two. Is the first one is related to MIS planning. Second one related to the system analysis and design, SAD, SAD. And third one is related to the method of oral presentation. D is related to the non-verbal communication. E is related to the knowledge-based system maintenance, and also a classification of means, barriers of communication. So you must do this points for a short notes, and there is a lot of chance to ask these questions in your exams. So all the best for exams, and don't forget to like, subscribe and shares. Keep watching. Thanks for watching my video.